question to you on that would be that, when you did Bombay, again, Bombay has the same kind of quality that I've already said. When you were doing Bombay, and as you responded to the Kashmir issue, you were responding to the communal question. So if you would like to tell us something about what actually motivated you to do Bombay.
That's
I won't ask any more questions. Now I'll open it out to you.
Thank you.
Okay.
so we are listening, sir. We are listening.
Yeah, I think Bombay happens to be, in my view, the most cosmopolitan city in India. And I've studied there for a couple of years, known people there. And it really shook you when something like the riot took place there. It was the film, I think, in our opinion, was a cry of anguish.
Yes.
A cry that if it can happen to Bombay, it can happen anywhere that you live in, and it can, and it needs to stop. And it is in the hands of a few people that this is getting, converted into such a large-scale event. And the common man is the one who's caught in between, and a common man who doesn't know where he, belongs to, which is why the film was actually conceived initially with a kid, caught in a riot, who doesn't understand what is going on and why he is caught and he's lost and he's trying to find an identity. It started from that germ. So it was just a reflection on the time, on an anguish from a very, point of view of a child who
Yes.
doesn't understand at all. From there, it just was fleshed out on either sides, and the film was done. It was, and if you listen to the music of
Yes.
it, if you listen to everything, it is that pain and that cry that we try to get across, in a fashion in which, most of the common people who are caught in between can hear or can, reflect, can identify with that voice.
Right. Okay, at this time, since